Hey guys, this is Alexander Bosco here, and today I'll show you guys how to add songs to your iPhone made by GarageBand. So guys, I'll show you guys how to do it from here on the computer. So go open up GarageBand. In this case, I already have it open. So let's get that open. I'm gonna set the karaoke white rabbit as the ringtone. And in order to do that, you need to go to the cycle button. The ringtone has to be 15 to 20 seconds. You could choose 20 or 15 seconds. Anyone you choose. I'll just go for 20 seconds, it's fine. And now go to share right at the top. Go to ringtone to iTunes. If you click on song to iTunes, it will take the whole song. If you take a ringtone to iTunes, it shorts in the song into a ringtone, whatever you chose, about 15 seconds or 20 seconds. Okay, let's click on ringtone on iTunes. Okay, guys, let me get the phone connected again. Now the phone is connected again. And now you need to check your iPhone. And hey guys, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just added the ringtone to the phone. In order to set it as ringtone, you need to open up settings here. Just open it up. Just scroll down until you see sounds right here, and go where it says ringtone. Click on that, and I'm gonna set it as White Rabbit. As you guys can see, you guys heard it. As you guys can see. And let's get rid of settings here. Let's get rid of it. And there you go, guys. This is how you set ringtones onto the iPhone with a computer, guys. So I might make a tutorial on the phone itself without the computer. Okay, guys, and this will be the end of today's video. And please remember to subscribe for more Adventure Time videos and more gaming videos and more reactions to funny videos and more tutorials for Apple devices as well, and more unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video, and please subscribe also. And this will be Alexander Bosco signing off, guys, and peace out. Bye, guys.